It's a soda pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching the Malak channel. And today we are looking at Steve Rude, the Dude's sketchbook and commissions art book, spanning from looks like 2015 to 2020. I found this book on Kickstarter. I didn't previously follow Steve Rude at all. It was just a period of my life when I had a little bit more money. And so I would go through Kickstarter and I found an art book that seemed like a competent project, one that wasn't scammy at all. I would just support it. And so quite a few months ago, I supported this book and it came with some extra goodies. So let's go through these. We got kind of the Kickstarter card, some of their information. Looks like he even has a YouTube channel. Got kind of some postcards, seem to be on a good quality paper, and then some sort of a strange comic promo. Seems he is maybe a creator of Nexus, who I haven't heard of. But there's a kind word by Neil Gaiman. I love Neil's work, so could be worth checking out. Cool postcard. And a bookmark. Yeah, his style seems to be a cross between sort of very kitsch, almost pin-up painting and comic book art, which is, it's kind of wonderful in a way that it's paired with this book, because as you'll see as we go through it, I feel like some of the typography and design is also just a little strange, but maybe that has its own charm instead of being generic. In terms of construction, it is soft cover, which, I didn't think it was soft cover, but it appears it is. I don't really like this type of binding. The glue and this type of spine tend to have a very short lifespan, but I don't think this art book was that expensive of a one, so maybe it makes sense. But yeah, look at this. This looks like something I would have seen in like a middle school book. And there's the man himself. Talks a little bit about his life, kind of the rough start, but with a sort of hopeful end, because he does in fact get to become an artist, which is wonderful. I'm always happy for people that make it. But yeah, you'll notice lots of these frames, lots of interesting font and typeface choices. It's not really my thing, but maybe it is very appropriate for his style. Those very strong comic lines. Very cool. Clearly a talented individual. And just look at this. An amazing draftsman too. A couple of these seem like maybe they were a little bit smaller, and it looks like they're trying to keep the size of images relatively consistent, so I feel like some of them might have been blown up a little bit. Might suffer some image quality in a couple. Could also just be kind of a rough scan. A commission for a cancer patient. Death. I mean, the internal pages, they've got vibrant colors, decent weight, kind of a... I think it's a little bit more than satin, so I think it might be a gloss sort of finish. Ooh, hands. Hands and feet. Maybe noses. The bane of my existence. I'll figure it out, though. If I keep practicing, one day it'll just be second nature. Yeah. That spine, I don't want to pull on it too hard. Seems like a nice enough guy. It's hard to judge from just the book though, right? But I don't think I would mind meeting him at some point. Using the family as models. I know that life. My dad is a fine artist. Oil painter. So that was Steve Rude's sketchbook and commissions from 2015 to 2020. It's often nice to branch out, try out a new artist, support a project you weren't previously aware of, and I'm glad I got this. It's a nice little set. If it's available somewhere else, maybe I'll be able to find a link and put it somewhere in the description. Go on, show Steve some support. Also like and subscribe, and make sure you check out other ways you can help support this channel so I can continue getting art books and art from artists and just trying to make this channel grow. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again. Take care.